This has been How to Write a Poem, your step-by-step guide to writing poetry. Written by HowExpert Press. Narrated by Rebecca Cromer. Copyright 2016 by HowExpert Press. Production copyright 2016 by HowExpert Press. Introduction. If you're just starting out, writing poetry can seem difficult. Many people simply don't know how to start. However, learning how to write poetry is no different than learning how to do anything else, and can easily be learned with a little bit of practice and patience. And it doesn't all have to be about love or feelings. It can simply be a new way of looking at something familiar. Writing poetry is an extremely rewarding experience and has been practiced since the beginning of humanity. It is a means of communicating abstract ideas, telling stories, and seeing the world in fresh and interesting ways. And the best part of all is that it doesn't require any fancy equipment or expensive lessons. This instructional handbook will guide you step by step through the process of becoming a poet. By the time you reach the end, you will be seeing the world in a whole new way, and will be writing poems every day and loving doing it. Notes on how to use this guide. Before taking on one of the exercises or activities in this guide, make sure you read all of the instructions over first. You should then read them again as you complete the activity. This guide works best when you begin at the beginning and work to the end without skipping around. Don't skip over the beginning stuff. It's really important to your success as a poet. After you've completed the course of this guide, don't be afraid to come back to it. You'll find that the information here will seem more and more useful every time you read it, because you'll be bringing all that you've learned to the table. There is a glossary at the end of this guide containing some definitions of poetic terminology used throughout. Enjoy!